So welcome everyone to my channel once again. As you all know, we are currently going through a very tough situation. More than 174 people are dying every single hour in our country. That's why we need to spread some awareness throughout our country so that people can stay safe and protected from this deadly virus. That's the main motto of my today's video. I'll be painting this helicopter like the famous Cargolux Airlines, not without my mask livery, in order to spread some awareness. So let's get started. For this job, I'm first of all disassembling the helicopter. After disassembling, I am separating all the metal parts of the helicopter. As in this video, I'll only be painting the metal parts and the canopy of the helicopter. I am painting the metal parts with white acrylic spray paints. I'll give the link to buy these paints online in my video description. As the metal parts, I am only painting the side fenders, the tail support pipe and the tail boom. And I am very much happy with the outcome of the paint job, as I am a beginner of spray paints. After completing the metal parts, I can now finally move on to my canopy. First of all, I need to mask some areas in the canopy. For the masking, I am using paper masking tape. I'll also give the link to buy this tape in my video description. After masking, the canopy is looking something like this. I am using the same acrylic paint on the canopy, but the paint is not very good when applied on plastic, but still I don't have any other option. But at the end, I love the paint job and I can now move on to use the black paint on the canopy. But before applying the black paint, I have to mask all the white area on the canopy. After the masking is done, I can now move on to use black paint on this canopy. I am using that same black acrylic spray paint for this job also. After removing all the masking tape, the canopy is looking something like this, and I am quite satisfied with the result. Finally, after using the sky blue paint to make the helicopter's face mask, my paint job is done. After attaching my channel's name on the canopy, it is looking something like this. This is the very first time I am using spray paint, so I have to stay satisfied with the result, although the paint has some imperfection when looking closely. Now let's assemble the helicopter and see how she looks with her brand new paint scheme. I have also installed night navigation strobe and beacon light on this helicopter, and she looks amazing with those light in complete darkness. Now let's take her for a flight.